Hello friends, welcome again. This is my new project, Online Paid Shop. We are using latest PHP version 8 and the MySQL version is also 8. This is a bootstrap theme. So I have used the Visual Studio Code ID also. So these technology stacks we have used for development this project. This is a responsive theme. If you click on the any inspect, you click on that you can see this is a mobile version of website. So this is all of the mobile version you can see. Okay. Now let's start the functionality of the project. Our project title is Online Paid Shop. We have developed this project with two different interfaces. That is front end face and the second one is admin interface. Both are totally different interface but both are responsive and we are using latest bootstrap version. This is a major project and from this project this is an academic project and students can learn a lot of things from this project. How can create the database, how can you manage the PHP and now the data from PHP with CRUD application like a create, update and delete. Many of the things student can learn. Let's start the features of that we have developed in this project. This is a home page. If you can check category, this is the category listing. Okay, so this is a dynamic category which are coming from the database. If you click like a birds, you can see all birds are coming from the database. So now this is a header bar. You can search anything related to pet from this. So this is a home page. If you click so that a sliders here, you can see we added three images for sliding. If you click then save, then now again slider will change. Okay. So you will able to see all the products which you have added into the database. So this is the features of the products and all the products are coming from the database. This is a sliders. In some time it will be slide. You can see it's sliding. So we have added the sliders here. We tried to make this project more functional, more operational. We have used a lot of plugins to develop this project. Okay, so this is all of the home page. This is the about us page. It's a totally static page. Now this is a all paid product paid page. You can see it's a totally dynamic. All the pets are coming from the database. If you click on view details, you can see all the details about the pet. You can see. This is all of the categories. So we have added 8 categories, but this is a dynamic. You can add number of categories, 10, 12, many categories from the database, from the admin panel. We have separate admin panel for that. If you click on categories like birds, you can see birds contain two pets. So this is all of the category page. Now this is a registration page. Here user can registration here. Now this is a login page and this is a contact us page. It's a totally static page, but we have used a small real map we have integrated here. You can see. So now let's go if buy some pets like mammal breed horse. Okay, click on the view details. If you buy number of mammal breed horse like a 1 2 3, you can add the number like a 1 2 3. You can see there. So three horses add to cart here. So click on the add to cart. So there is a restriction. Without login, you can't buy the pets. So you must have the user account on this portal for buying any pets. Without account, you can't buy any product like pets. So the user ID is amit@gmail.com and the password is test. Now log into account. This is a user dashboard. You can see. First we click on the pets and buying some pets like a mammal breed. You can add number of pets like a 2 and click on the add to cart. This is the two horses added into cart. You can see and total amount and the total amounts get calculating automatically and the total amount that much amount and you need to pay after you click on proceed to checkout. This is a make payment page. It's a totally dummy page, not a real payment gateway. You can see you can enter the any number like a name of card like a master card XYZ. You can add the expiry date and you can enter the CVC number. Right? Click on the make payment button. The make payment, then you can see your payment has been done and this is order summary. You can see your orders. Okay, you can see all of the orders from the my order section. You can see if you want to see the details of this order, you can click on the eye icon like this here, or this order summary is visible here. You can see it's a very great dashboard. You can see you have to place total orders, confirm orders, in transit orders, delivered orders, anything. Here also you can see important links. Either you can go on the page from this or either clicking on this page like this all pages. You can go from here. This is a my account page. Here user can easily update his details. This is a change password. Here user can change easily password. So this is all of the front end thing. And one last thing I want to tell you, this is a session driven. You can see administration option is showing, logout option is also, and dashboard option is showing. If I log out, then you can see menu has been changed. You can see all the main upper menu has been changed. So this is all about the front end panel we have developed inside the project. Now comes on the admin panel for admin. So you need to open first admin. So this is your admin panel. You need to log in, right? So without login, you can't access anything. So first we need to log in. So user ID is admin user ID is admin at the rate gmail.com and the password is test. Oh wow, this is a very attractive and great dashboard we have created for the admin panel. Here you can see the total orders, total delivered, confirmed order. You can see everything from here. So this is a dashboard. Even this is a drag and drop thing because you can minimize it from here like this quick menu. You can minimize like all products. You can minimize. You can see all orders like you can minimize from here. So here total order section, total customer, total products. So this is the quick menu. You can see this is a menu. If you click here, menu will be hide like this. After hiding menu, but if you don't want to hide, so this is the main option. So this is all products when you can edit from here. You can see all of the main options. Now click on the product management, click on add to product. You can see here admin can add new product, name, category, cost, descriptions and images. And this is all of the product report. Here admin can edit. You can see product report in edit format. This is a product report. All products reports are coming from the database. Here admin can easily edit and delete. You can see there is a basic pagination here. If you click on the edit, this product will be open in the edit format like this. Here you can see the product report. You can see export this whole data in CVS as well as Excel, CSV as well as Excel as well as PDF from it. You can do disable or enable the column from it like this code. If you want to visible, then click on the code. You can see. So this is the power of this table. Same for the category. Here admin can add the new category and admin can edit from here. And this is a category report. All the category reports are visible here. You can export all the category report data in CSV as well as Excel as well as PDF. This is a order management. Here you can see all the orders. Here admin can view the order details. If admin can want to cancel this order, here you can update the cancel button and here you can see the order has been cancelled. This is a customer management page. Here admin can add new user, his details also. This is a all user report. You can see all the reports of the customer is visible here. This is a change password. Here admin can easily change the password. And this is logout options. So we have developed these two different types of view for the managing this whole project. So this is all the features we have developed inside the project. If you want any type of enhancement, any features, just put it into the comment box. We will develop the new project according to your requirement. So please don't forget subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video.